Okay, so you want to copy or move a worksheet to another workbook. So we want to copy or move the February sheet. So I'm going to right click on its sheet tab down at the bottom there. Then I'm going to go to move or copy. So I can select from this drop down list where I want to move or copy the sheet to. So I can move or copy it to a new book, in which case Excel will create a new workbook for you. Or I can move or copy it to another open workbook. So these two workbooks are also open. So for example, if I selected data here, I then get this list of sheets within that workbook, and this box is entitled before sheet. So for example, if I selected regions, the sheet would be copied before the region sheet. Now what we're going to do is move or copy it to a new book. If you want to move it, then you just click on OK. If you want to create a copy, you tick this box here. Click on OK, and it creates a copy of the sheet. Now this is in a new workbook. You can see at the top here it says Book 2. So you would then need to do a file and save as, and decide exactly where you're going to save this copy of the sheet. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.